What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fix the disk write error you are getting when downloading or installing an update on Steam. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, make sure to right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop and select Open File Location. Or simply search for Steam in your Start menu search and right-click the icon from here. In the Steam folder, right-click Steam and select Properties. In the Steam Properties menu, switch to the Compatibility tab, and under Settings, check the Run this program as an administrator option. Apply the changes and click on OK. Now, open the Steam app and click on Continue on the Steam error box that appears. This could potentially already fix the disk write error you are getting. If the problem still persists, go ahead and try the second method. Open the Steam app. Select Steam on the top left corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to Downloads. Under Content Libraries, click Steam Libraries folder. Here, right-click the Steam folder and select Repair Library folder. This may take a couple of minutes to complete. Select Close when you're done and click on OK in your Settings menu. The Steam Restart Required pop-up will appear. Click on Restart Steam. This should fix the disk write error. If not, then proceed with this third and final method. Open the Steam application. Select Steam on the top left corner and go to Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to Downloads. Here, click on the Clear Download Cache option at the bottom. Click on OK to continue. This will most probably solve the disk write error you are getting when downloading a game or installing an update on Steam. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.